Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, excuse me. Well, it's a little bit late, but welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. We're back with these daily updates on Jasmy. We're going to do full updates in here as well. We'll do a bit of a recap. I was on vacation for the last 10 days, but I'm back now. All right, we're back in full force. So I had some videos uploaded. I had some videos pre-recorded, which I think were quite valuable as well. Maybe not to you, but probably to some of you at least. But now we're back with the daily video analysis, and we're covering. I think I'll keep up these daily updates on Jasmy as well. I'm always interested whether you are still interested in that. But for now, I'm fairly bullish on Jasmy. I think we can get some nice bullish momentum, especially if the markets stay bullish as well. We'll talk about that, but I think it's interesting. So no videos. I was still active in the Signal group. If you're interested in that, consider joining. Very profitable month. Still, August for us got some major trades. Even right now, still going on. So if you're interested in that, that's like one of the only things I still do on vacation. So that's basically 365 days a year of trades given to you, not for free, but very easy to follow. But for now, let's get into Jasmy. So basically, to do a bit of a recap, we basically had no real movement. All right. Bitcoin was chopping in this range between 62 and 57,000 at the very lowest, and Jasmy was basically following that, but then a different price range. All right, but basically between here at 1.9, which we got to once more Friday the 16th, and this major resistance level right here at 2.25 cents, or the 0.382 fib of this major move down we had. At the end of July, which, by the way, that top was also called in the videos, so made some decent money off of shorting that. But now what I think is interesting is that we've broken the range. All right, the 382 fib is usually a very strong resistance level. At this point of time, it also coincides with the trend band, which you can kind of see. It's a little bit opaque. But I do think you're able to see that. Broke that on a 12-hour time frame, broke it on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we also broke the 200 EMA, and so far respecting it. And I don't really see any reason why this would turn into a fake out. The breakout happened on a Friday, which makes it a little bit riskier. But I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin got a nice bullish breakout. I don't really like. Of course, if fundamentally there's a lot of bad news in the world, things can still change. But for now, I think it's by far most likely, if you look at the technicals and the fundamentals, especially for the markets, like there are not that many super bullish fundamentals for Jasmy at this point of time. I think fundamentally Jasmy is bullish. But then I'm talking about something in Japan or some huge momentum increase or something, which I don't necessarily think is the case for Jasmy right now. You can see that we're gaining some momentum right here. You can also see that if you look at the CVD, it's not that a lot of people are longing Jasmy, but you can see some sort of a conversion from shorts and longs into primarily longs, where shorts are also being closed. Just in general, the ratio is going up, which is great. So that in combination with my perception of the markets and what I expect from the markets, the technicals and the momentum, leads me to believe that I think we're going to go up to that main resistance level at 2.5 and 2.55 cents. And that's what I think is interesting, all right? Because that's a very strong resistance level. So to break out above, it's even a little bit bigger. It's like between 0.0245 and 0.0255. To break above that level, you need more than this, all right? Do I ultimately, I expect Bitcoin to get up towards like 68, 71,000. So do I expect Jasmy to break above that level? Ultimately, yes, all right? I do expect this. But I don't think that with the momentum we have right now and with the breakout we have right now, which is obviously bullish, or at least I think it's bullish, I don't think this is enough. So I would say something like this is more likely. Then eventually we will get some strong momentum, and then we'll break out. So that's what I expect, right? I will keep you updated on that. If anything changes, I'll try to put out some sort of an update video as soon as I can. But for now, that's it. So thank you for watching. Welcome back, and I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.